put this on and then maybe work out something else. So we had plans today to work on a hub, right? Wheel bearing hub. Yeah, after we started getting our elbows deep in it, we've decided that we're gonna go in a different direction because there's other things that we need to replace on the Acura. So we're back to the Subis. I've had this for I don't know how long. Look, it has Max's hair in it. It's got dirt. So it's a relocating kit for the STI, so we can make it look nice and pretty since we have these other ugly wheels on it. So we're just gonna mount this thing here, move this here, and then put this STI sign here so it looks nice and pretty. And hopefully that's it, unless we encounter any other problems, which are inevitable. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. I've never done this before, or maybe I have, I don't know. And I'm not gonna say anything beyond that because I don't want to jinx it. I just want to actually finish projects. So here we go.
Rolling.
Rolling. Okay, so we're gonna get this license plate off. As you can tell, it's already bent. The lovely car wash does that for me every time. Wait till you see the one on the Acura. Work extra hard, break it, and then work even harder to replace it. Don't do it any other way. I don't care what life tells you. Oh man, it's nasty down there. What do you think I should do for the license plate? No wins, no win. Because I can't do like no winning, it's too like long. So she said.
STI.
STI, STI? You think it's available?
So you have 2 STIs on there. Why to, sir?
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, sir? Okay, so this is what I got. Got this little plate here. Got some bracketing things here. The most valuable piece of everything here. Plus, this will give you 30 horsepower at any given temperature, no matter if it's 130 degrees outside or 4 degrees outside. And then this is probably the main piece. So before, I'm gonna clean this up and then we'll get going. Bro, with my luck, I would not put it past anybody. With my luck, ah man.
Okay there?
I would.
Yeah,
Yeah, do you know?
This is the best.
Which one?
The bigger gorilla pod.
Oh, the Gorilla Pod? What do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely cleaner.
Nice and clean. Okay, so let's see. $50. It's the wrong thread, even though it's mentioned for this car.
$50.
50 bucks.
Let's go.
So if you haven't already, while I open this, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think I'm like 160 away from 1,000. So as you watch me struggle here, this is the perfect time to not fast forward and go down and click the button. In case you were wondering. For those of you that are recently subscribed, go back and watch all of my old videos.
The most popular ones.
Especially the one with our very own holding the camera.
Hey!
So here's this thick boy. I don't know, should we put something on here?
Spit on it.
Should we lube it with anything? Yeah, should we lube anything on it?
Maybe put some WD-40. You know what? Put some anti-seize on it.
Anti-seize.
Yeah, just in the tip.
Oh, okay. Just in the tip, so. Okay. This will be. So just toss that there. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. I've never done this before, so. Oh man. Tell me how much.
Just a dab.
Like that?
Maybe a little bit more. And then on further down. Closer to the shaft. Or to the like just go up and down. So there you go. That should be good. That's good. Nice.
Okay. We learned this because of a valuable lesson from the Forester, I'm assuming.
Oh, went in there really good. I bet you don't know how to talk it.
Bro. Don't even get me started right now.
It's pretty deep in there.
So she said. I wonder when that joke's gonna get old. Like, I feel like it's never
Pretty
gonna.
old already.
I feel like I can't even say it anymore though.
Yeah,
I don't know who's gonna get
it's fine.
offended. If you get offended by this, please subscribe. There will be more coming. This is for you. Okay, what do you think? 17-ish? Oh, on the money. Right on the money. Yeah, right on the money.
That hurts.
Okay, well, I didn't get my. How tight should we put it?
We could put the breaker bar. I mean,
So we put the anti-seize, so it should like.
yeah.
I'm just gonna put it like a good hand snug, right there. What do you think? It's
Maybe-
because what I'm worried about is what happens is it tends to spin, like the actual license plate will spin.
Okay.
So if I don't put it super tight, what happens is you'll be driving and it's like this. And with my luck, I'll get pulled over because it's not like, you know, parallel to the floor or some shit, you know.
Okay. Yeah.
What do you think?
Maybe a little bit more.
There, I heard
Yeah,
some cracking.
That seems better.
Okay. Now I need to figure out where I want this positioning. So
Oh yeah, that's good.
something like that. You know what? What I'm gonna do first.
That one looks good. Make sure you guys get the. Okay,
The
put the license plate on there.
Hold on.
This is a good.
Example.
Yeah. So if you check it, the license plate covers the whole. The mount covers the whole license plate.
Yeah, don't get a little baby square one and
Yeah,
then
if it's smaller than the license plate,
yeah, you'll see
Blue
it.
Wave will eat it up.
Blue Wave or the other 47 different car washes that are around.
Yeah, the automatic ones.
Look, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one first
Okay.
so I can know how far I can go over here. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay.
Because then if I put it over here, then with my luck, I'm gonna have to redo everything and undo everything.
It's the only way.
Yeah, I'm
It's
trying
the
to
only way.
I'm trying to learn from myself by not doing everything 6 times. How many engines am I at? 7 engines?
I'm not sure.
I already lost. What it wants is, it wants the black round spacer with the 3M, I guess, pointing at it. So
Because if you don't put the cap,
that makes
gotta
no
put the cap
sense.
first.
Yeah, so I have to put the cap here, right?
there you go.
See, I know my engineering degree was good for something. Maybe it was my master's degree. I don't know. One of the two.
Use one of those today.
Yeah. I don't use them every day, but when I do, I don't always drink Dos Equis. Not sponsored by, but if you want to, don't forget about us little people down here.
That might be a problem.
Yeah. But you're telling me, oh look. Hey.
Wow, it worked. And they're twist, so it'll be easy to come out.
That means they're gonna get stolen no matter what.
Yep.
In my private parking at work. Okay. So now that we got something
That
done.
looks good. That's all you need.
Yeah. When is it? Oh, they're not gonna do inspections anymore.
We're doing ourselves. Yeah, buddy.
No comments. Okay, so one of these is the important one. I'm assuming it's the long one. Okay,
Well,
so
like
what do you
block
think?
As far right as possible.
Like that?
Oh.
Like this? Like with this? Is this right?
Yeah, so it'll like brush off to the other one, so it won't catch it.
Well, then if I put it this way, then I cover that STI, but I have this STI to offset that STI.
These lights are
Oh,
better than this.
oh, first try.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe for the
No, to create space to get off the bumper.
yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, let me undo that because what I'm noticing is, look, and what's gonna end up happening is gonna freaking rub the crap out of it,
Yeah, make it all nasty.
and then it's gonna make it all nasty, and then, you know, with my luck, it's gonna somehow take off the rear bumper.
Sir, your rear license plate's falling off.
Yeah. Yeah, somehow or some way. You know, the silver STI is not even
No way he's
driving.
doing this, guy, because he did not read the instructions.
There's not even any instructions. These people, I don't know who they think we are. You know, freaking like engineers or something. What do you think? 1, 2?
What's the third one?
I don't know if that's even gonna be enough to thread there. Oh, maybe there is.
Gonna put both in the back.
I was wondering if I should or not. That's what I'm asking. You know, but I was hoping that it was gonna be enough.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you don't work on a car for
4 months.
Dude, I think it's been longer. Boom. That'd be a good selling.
Yeah. But hey, what do you want your license plate?
In case you've been wondering how long this has been on my garage.
Does it have a date?
It does not have a date, but I will tell you it's been some time. Oh man, this is the one.
You got the lip.
This is the one.
Woo!
The one and only. With the lip.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the one we're gonna do. This is the one we're doing. What do you have? What do you have a plate?
This.
Oh, you're making a shield.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Dude.
That's the one, man.
This is the one.
It feels like super stiff.
This is the one. Okay, ready? Here, you can have that one.
This is the one not to get because I have no lip. Need some lip filler on it. That one has a lip, right? You see. Kind of sits in there. Right? You can protect it from the
Elements.
car wash. There you go. Nice.
It's the first time. First time.
You got 2 degrees, guys.
Two. An engineering and something else. You know what's funny is that like people always refer to like, don't you have an engineering degree? Like, did you forget I got a master's too? Like people don't care about the master's, they only care about the engineering degree.
Sir.
Sir, you sure you don't have an engineering degree? I'm sure I do. And then you know what usually follows after that? They'll be like, what are you doing here? And I'm like, I don't know, maybe somebody will freaking hire me.
You have 20 years of experience.
Yeah. By the time you're 20, you need to have 21 years of experience. So you had to have started before the baby making process. In case you're. Or somebody else will be working on it, making noises. Or somebody's cut the grass yet.
Now I gotta blow the leaves.
Dude. Yeah, the Killer Bee looks nicer than the Grimmspeed anyway. Out of all the parts in this car, there's only one Killer Bee part. One single part. And it was the most crucial to this. Oh, you know what's dumb? Look, this is why.
No.
Bro.
Dang it, man. You gotta put it upside down.
No, there's no holes at the bottom, so it's gonna be like this. Making noises.
Can't win! We can't win, I tell you!
This is for probably the rear.
I say we,
I'm gonna get the cob one.
Oh, look! Oh, no.
I'm getting the cob one. Oh,
There you go.
dude. Somebody doesn't want to see me winning today.
Okay, round 3.
Round 3. Found one that has the lip. It has the holes in the bottom.
Lip check.
Lip check. Holes at the bottom? Check.
Full stop on bottom. Okay.
Those memes where it's like one broken bolt, one 35-minute job is
I'm drinking a beer, by the way.
That should tell you how stressed out we are with working on cars here. Because we haven't worked on cars in months. So if you somehow made it this far from watching the most difficult install you've ever seen in your life, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, that's it. That's it.